Hello again, Gina here from Destination Baby and Kids. If you haven't yet, you've reached our YouTube channel. Go ahead, like, follow, subscribe. If it makes sense to share this video, go ahead and share it with someone. Sharing is caring. What are we even going to be talking about today? Well, today we are going to go over the full line of Bugaboo strollers pretty quickly, and we are going to show you guys some accessories that work across pretty much the whole stroller range, which is very, very exciting. So if you haven't yet, head on over to my website, destinationbabykids.com. You can check out any of these fabulous Bugaboo strollers in any colors, and you can buy anything directly from me. This is non-sponsored content, so the greatest way to show your support, we cannot stress this enough, is to head on over to our website and make a purchase directly from us. It doesn't necessarily have to be this product. We have toys, books, games, clothing, all kinds of wonderful things, bibs, everything best for baby is right there on my website, destinationbabykids.com. But if you're learning here, you should definitely buy it here. Okay, let's launch into the lineup of Bugaboo strollers that you see behind me, with a little pricing information, and show off these very cool accessories, in particular the brand new rider board for this year, and the very fabulous cup holder that works on all of their strollers. All right, so as you can see, I've got the full lineup going on here, going from single strollers in this general area to their single to double options over here. So the stroller that's going to be on the viewer's right, the furthest right on the screen, this navy blue one, this is the Kangaroo. This is $5.99. This is 16 pounds, 17.5 inches wide. This is the one that can go in the overhead. So that is the Butterfly 2, very, very cool stroller, and that has a 4-year warranty. All the strollers that you're looking at have like a 3 to 4 year warranty, depending on how you register it. So you definitely want to make sure you register it once you purchase it from Destination Baby Kids. Now the next stroller that we're looking at in this cool dark cherry color, that is going to be the Dragonfly. That is $10.99. This is a modular stroller, meaning the seat faces backward and forward. It's 20.5 inches wide. It's about 22 pounds with the seat on it. And you can do the car seat bassinet. It actually folds with the bassinet on it, so this is very cool. Now, if we want to go slightly larger, this guy right here in the dead center, this is our most popular. This is sort of the favorite. This is going to be the Fox 5 Renew. This is $14.99, single stroller, 22 pounds, 23.5 inches wide. So all three of these strollers right here, these are just intended for one child, okay? So that's part of the reason why this conversation is so exciting about this rider board, and we'll get into that in just a second. But the rider board that works for the Butterfly 2 is going to be the same rider board that works for the Fox 5. It's also the same rider board that works for either Kangaroo, which is a single to double option with stadium seating. So you see these two kids sort of set in like what would be a stadium, like a ballpark. So Kangaroo, not in a double mode, but as a single stroller, Kangaroo is going to retail for $14.50. It's a little bit heavier at 28 pounds, but it does hold the 2 kiddos, and it'll hold 3 with the rider board. And it is 24.5 inches wide. Now, if we come all the way down to the very end, the gray guy, this is the Donkey. This is going to be Bugaboo's most expensive stroller, but it is a single to double, so it's a single that can turn into a double wide stroller, which is very, very cool. We see the bassinet set up here with the little tote bag. But this one retails for $16.50. It is 26.5 pounds. It's 23.5 inches wide as a single. And when we turn it into a double, it'll be 29 inches wide. But again, these single to double stroller options from Bugaboo, they both work with the rider board in the 2 kids sitting on the frame mode, so they can turn into triple strollers. So we're definitely going to show you that, which is very, very cool. But this is just to sort of help understand the differences between these models and a little bit just about the pricing, which is definitely on the higher end of what we're looking at. And so that's part of the reason why we wanted to talk about this. A lot of times people ask me, hey, wait, what actually makes Bugaboo so special? So I always tell people it's the quality of the push. So the stroller pushes incredibly well, which doesn't seem like what stroller wouldn't, but you would be amazed. There's a ton that push very poorly. So they push incredibly well. The design is beautiful. The warranty is great. It's probably the highest quality that we have to offer, quite frankly. I mean, there's some other really high quality products as well, but this, I would say, is probably industry leading. And so like the cup holder, for instance, that works on this stroller is going to work on all the other strollers that I showed you. For that same measure, this riding board, okay? So this is a little platform that has a little Pee Wee Herman bike seat and then 2 wheels underneath. You would know if you're buying the newest version of this riding board because the new one has 2 wheels. Old versions of this only had 1. The bike seat is removable, so if you prefer your platform to just be a standing platform, the seat can come off. Our platform dimension is about 9¼ inches by about 12 inches for standing. The seat with the little ridge on the back is going to be 3½ inches wide by 7 inches long. And then when you push it on, it does make a very, very definitive click sound, so you know it's attached. So I can take my single stroller, and this works with bassinet, this works with car seat. It comes with some different pieces, which is very cool. This guy has the hookups directly on it for this riding board to hook on immediately, just like that. So now I've taken a stroller that I have that's meant to be my everyday stroller, and I've given myself an opportunity here now to have a child up to 44 pounds sitting and riding on the back, or I can have, you know, the big kid, 2 big kids, or a baby and an older child, just depending on what the age spaces are. I've taken my single stroller and I've given it an opportunity to be a double. So this is super exciting. Again, riding board is going to clock in at $189, but as we mentioned, it'll work on other products. So when you're not using it, you have this opportunity to lift it up like that. That's a way to just get it off the ground and be able to wheel your stroller no problem. You see it's holding steady. I'm going to put the brake on my stroller, and that will make removing that piece a little easier. So as we saw, cup holder and riding board, no problem on Fox 5 Renew. I'm going to just push this a little bit out of the way, and now I'm going to show these exact same pieces on the Dragonfly. So the Dragonfly is a single stroller. It's modular. The seat turns around. Dragonfly actually comes with a separate freestanding bassinet in the purchase price, which is awesome, for the $13.49. If you buy it without bassinet, it is the $10.99. And the seat does work with a newborn right out of the box, so there is no need for a bassinet, but it is just a very cool feature. Cup holder, that will also work directly on this product. We did not have to buy a separate cup holder. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the brake on, and I should be able to click my riding board directly on the frame. And as you can see, now I've taken my single Dragonfly and I've turned it into a 2-kid product. And remember, if we want to take the seat off the back, it's very easy to do so, and then kiddo can just stand and ride on the platform. But I do think it's cool that you have that option to have a seat or no seat. And as you can see, there's multiple positions for the holding position. I've kicked it up even higher now to give myself a little bit of clearance underneath, and it's working just fine. I'll go ahead and remove it by pressing the buttons and pulling back. So that is going to be my Dragonfly. And again, cool feature about this stroller is that it is a one-handed fold. And when you collapse the canopy, it'll get even smaller. But nice feature, and again, lightweight, and we can get it out of the way. Now, I will go ahead and pull over the Butterfly 2. So, Butterfly 2, this is a great option. This guy can fold up and go in the overhead, which is very cool. It's the $5.99 price point. They all hold 50 pounds in the seat, so that's going to be the same across all of them. I'll go ahead and put the brake on, and I will put my riding board directly onto this guy. Just line it up and push it on, and it comes down. So this is very exciting, right? Because let's say we bought one of those larger strollers and then we ended up wanting a little lightweight travel stroller. Here we have the opportunity to do that. And again, those accessories that worked on the other guy are going to work on this guy too. So there wasn't any extra pieces to buy, no extra clips, no extra components. We're just able to do our rider board, which again holds the 44 pounds, and we're able to have our older child sitting directly in our stroller seat and have the cup holder and the riding board both working beautifully. So I'm going to go ahead and put the brake back on, kick this up, press and pull. Ooh, this little one. There we go. That guy, because the stroller is so light, I actually have to put my foot on it so I don't take the stroller with me. But it's a very secure attachment. So that is a nice feature of that guy. And again, 16 pounds, very lightweight. Now, let's talk about the strollers that are already for 2 kids, right? So this could start as a single. I have it set up for 2 children already. But let's say you have somebody else's kid that wants to come along, or your older one, and then you've got 2 smaller. Whatever the case may be, this stroller will also hook up with that riding board, no problem. And as you can see, this is everybody's dream come true, or living nightmare, a 3-kid scenario. But what is nice about this, again, is they have this option to sit. If you did the 2 to 3 kid with the Vista, oops, that's our timer telling me I'm talking too much. But if you did the 2 to 3 child setup with the UPPAbaby Vista or with the Silver Cross Wave, their riding boards don't have the bike seat. So this sounds really stupid. I know that people don't care, but if you think about Walt Disneyland, that is an 8-mile day between both parks. If you have a 5-year-old, good luck getting them to walk 8 miles. It's really nice to have an opportunity for them to have an additional place to sit. And again, our cup holder that I promised would work will work. And just to show, this cup holder is awesome. It holds a pretty big bottle, because sometimes they're kind of whack and they just only hold little baby bottles. It's like, what the hell are we doing? This will actually hold like a real water bottle. This guy is a 23-ouncer. So just something to be excited about. This water bottle is B-Box. It's actually quite beautiful. And it has a metal straw, so I love that. No plastic. All right, so we'll go ahead and take this guy off here. And remember, if it were a single, it would also work on the stroller. It doesn't have to be set up in 2-kid mode for that feature to work. It's just a nice opportunity to show that it does work for 3. Now again, going into Donkey. So like Donkey is a very cool stroller because it's meant to build as you grow, or if you have twins, it's an awesome side-by-side option. It's the best side-by-side option. It's the most expensive, but it's fabulous. Now, let's say you have an older and a younger, and they're spaced too far apart to both sit on the frame simultaneously. That's again where this rider board's gonna come in. This will hook directly onto the frame. And the cool part here is it's sitting on the opposite side of whomever is in the main spot. So we've got the bassinet set up right now, but if we put the stroller seat on here, we would still have the same type of scenario. So I'll go ahead and kind of demonstrate my point with that. We'll put the stroller seat on, and now we still have older and younger without really any issue, which is very, very cool. Now again, we could turn this into a 3-kid scenario. I will show you guys what that looks like. I guarantee you Bugaboo would tell me to remove this riding board on the back before I do what I'm about to do. But let's see if we can cheat it and leave it on. Again, do not try this at home. This is me being an idiot on camera. So again, we got that to pop open. We got that guy. The riding board is still on it. That slid open, no problem. I would think I would put older here because they're gonna be upright and it won't be in this one space as much. And then we'll go ahead and put our bassinet over here. And now, again, we've got a 3-kid setup. Little 3-card Monty. Whew, that's dusty. But it's the same piece that went on all of them. And again, cup holder. Where does this hook on? You know, this is embarrassing, but this stroller is so old it actually may not have the piece for it, because it is supposed to hook onto everything. So my stroller is just too old, but the new ones will have the piece on the side that you will be able to hook up that cup holder with any additional pieces or clamps, which is very, very cool. And as I mentioned before, they also make a tray, which looks like this. It has a cup holder. It has this little hidden pocket for like snacks. That'll work on all of these guys with the exception of the Butterfly 2. You do have to buy a little attachment piece for that to go on, but it can clip on to all of them very, very easily, including double seats. So sometimes, like with Nuna Travel Double, you can't do 2 trays on it at the same time. With all of these strollers set up in 2 kid mode, you will be able to do 2 trays, including on the donkey, which is very, very exciting. Harder to get a side-by-side that does 2 trays simultaneously. Believe it or not, that sounds ridiculous. Why would that be difficult? But apparently nobody thinks about design when they're designing. So hopefully this has shown you guys some of the fabulousness that is Bugaboo. Again, cannot stress enough. Oh, their bassinet stand also works across their line. So this bassinet on here right now, this is for the Dragonfly, but I could use this bassinet stand with the Kangaroo, with the donkey, and with the Fox 5, as well as the Dragonfly. I just have to buy the correct component clips, but it's the same bassinet stand for all of them. And that stand only weighs 5 pounds, and it's really easy to travel with. So again, just really brilliantly designed, quality's excellent, super duper well thought out in terms of storage and component pieces. So if you have questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. But we're super excited about that new wheeled board for 2025 moving into 2026. And I love how the cup holders are working across the full line. Absolutely fabulous. Thanks so much, and check out our other videos comparing Bugaboo to other brands.